everything square, and it makes the job so much easier.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is not a sponsored video. Not really. This isn't a guitar video either. So I reached out to another company and said, hey, I like your product. Can I have some for free? I told them that I like what they do. I like their product. I would love to partner with them. And it worked.
There is a sucker born every minute.
They sent me this, a bucket. Now this is the Oneida Air System Dust. Can you see that box? Yeah. The Dust Deputy 2.0. One of my biggest complaints about my shop, besides how loud the heat is, that's what that sounded, is dust collection. I've got a makeshift system. Makeshift? That's what I am. I'm a makeshift system. Makeshift system where you can kind of see it down there in the corner. That red thing, that's just a Harbor Freight Cyclone. It works. It does dust collection for really just the, that thing, whatever it is. What is that? Miter saw. Wow, that took way too long. My table saw is over here in the middle of the room, and eventually I want to get the big Oneida system and have actual shop dust collection that does everything. They sent me this kit, which is another Vortex kit. It should be everything you need except for a shop vac, which I have one of those somewhere. That thing down there. Probably going to find a second one. I want to make some sort of cart that will easily roll around that I can use for dust collection. First we got to put this thing together, make sure it works, I'm sure it will, and go from there. This is everything that came in the box: the bucket, the Cyclone, a tube, lid. It came with a hat. You can't go wrong with a company that sends you a hat and a lapel and 2 pencils and safety glasses. Oh my God, stickers. They sent stickers. You can't go wrong with stickers. 4 stickers too. Those are going everywhere I can think of. Ow! I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. This isn't a how-to or anything. This is just check out what I'm building this week in the shop. Where's the instructions? What's in this one? Is that another lapel? They sent me 2 lapels. These guys are so good to me. I love these guys. Let's do a voiceover for this video, and I'm going to wear the hat. And that would be my cue to take over for the talking idiot on screen. After struggling with the bag for what seemed like an eternity, I laid out all the pieces. The wheels, the that thing, and those things. They're all pieces. And then I referred to the instruction manual because that's the only way I could really figure out how to do it. The first step was to add the felt or rubber, whatever this material is, to the bottom of the lid, which had a sticky back. Just pulled off, stick it on there. You know how it works. Then we're gonna add the that thing to this thing, and then secure it with those things. We're adding the Vortex to the lid and securing the screws. Pretty simple. I was able to get a ratchet wrench in there, which made it even faster. Once I was able to determine which direction this part went, I just stuck the wheels in. It actually fits in there with like compression, so you just push it in there. That's all it takes. Sounded like I put a poop there. I promise I did not. To secure the legs to the bucket, you're going to use the provided double-sided tape. I wasn't exactly crazy about just using double-sided tape, so I decided to use the tape, put it on there, as you see me doing here, trying to get them straight across from each other as close as I could. And then I went and purchased some bolts and nuts to put in there to hold it on a little bit stronger. I didn't really trust the double-sided tape. Once that was done, I was ready to add the hose attachments, the hose, and pretty much that's it. This whole process took me maybe 20 minutes. And that's because I was filming. If I wasn't filming, it would have been nothing. I'm gonna sing you a little song about sucking. What? Okay. Now it's time to watch me vacuum stuff. Vacuum up that dust. Looking there ain't that cool, Mr. Bud. I'm pretty sure that it's a twister. It's a twister. Now everything is clean, it's nothing clogging my back. There's nothing inside of here, because it all went in here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Goulet. I'm sorry. Song's over. Continue. So that's it. That's the Oneida Dust Deputy 2.5, or it may be, let's see, Oneida Juanita.
Juanita, lovely dear Juanita.
I don't know how you say it, but it works really good. That's it. It was super simple to put together. So simple, I even wrote that little song for it. Don't know why. Just sometimes I just the jism. That's it. That's the Oneida Dust Deputy 2.5. I love it so far. I haven't built a cart for it yet, but I will be doing it very soon. I ended up buying. I got it for $10 at the store. I got it for $10 at the Habitat for Humanity. So I'm gonna make a cart that holds both of these. I'm gonna have this dust collection that'll be able to roll around. I'm excited about it. If you'd like to get one for yourself, there's a link down below. Make sure you like the video, share it, comment on it, do something. Help me. I'm trying to do this full time, y'all. It's hard. I'm a big boy. I won't cry. Got my big boy pants on. Gator, don't cry. If you're interested in supporting the channel, you can become a member. Or I think I still have Patreon. I don't remember. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next week. If you're not a subscriber, you need to subscribe because there's going to be a guitar giveaway in the next couple weeks. I'm starting on that project very soon. Thanks, Oneida, for sending me stickers and that thing and all the other stuff. It's cool. I don't know what I did with my hat. I'm gonna go look for my hat. See you soon. Oh, stepped on a thing there.